That is console.writeLine in bracket wrong input. Okay, so
sorry, I
yes.
was gonna say, I think the key, if that's what Tristan is asking, I think the key for that character is above the enter key. I don't know if that's what you were asking, Tristan.
This one, no. In your keyboard, you have this OR operator. Just above the enter, key, you have this OR operator. You can see it on your keyboard.
Yeah, that's where
Got
it's on
it?
above the enter.
Okay. Yes. So you can use it. Okay, fine. So this OR operator, fine. Okay, now after this, like if it is not, like if this particular condition is going to be true, then it will show you this message. But if it is not, then what? Then obviously we need to write the else block, isn't it? But what I'm doing it over here, I need to write the multiple conditions over here, right? So here in else block only, I will take else if. Again, I'll put one more condition over here. That is, if marks is greater than or equal to 0. Okay. Now I'm using one more operator called is AND. Okay. What I'll do, I'll keep the space over here. Okay. Can you see it? AND operator. Okay. So that AND operator is also exist on your keyboard. Okay. You can see it over there on your keyboard. Can you see it? AND operator.
Yep.
Okay, so the AND means what? It will check the both condition. The both condition should be true. Okay, here in OR operator, any of the one condition is going to be true or one condition is going to be false. Okay, for that purpose we are using OR operator. Okay, one true, one false, that's okay. Okay, but here if you are using AND operator, that means the both condition should be a true, then only it will execute this statement or a block, otherwise not. Okay, so here I am completing this particular condition. If the marks is greater than equal to 0 and the marks is less than 50, okay, then what? Less than 50, then what you have to do? Then you have to put the message over there, that is fill. Okay, so let's see this thing carefully. If you are using AND operator means what? You have to check the both conditions and both conditions should be a true. That means if that particular whatever the marks is there which will enter by the user, if it is less than 0 or greater than and greater than or less than equal to 50. Okay, I'm putting it over here equal to. Okay, so if it is, so both condition is going to be true, then it will execute this particular statement, otherwise not. Getting it? Okay, so the both condition should be a true, then only it will execute this. In a OR, this will not happen. In OR, only one condition from this two, only one condition should be a true. Okay, like for example, if this one is true, then then also it will execute this. Okay, and if it is false, then also it will execute. Okay, so from both only one condition is going should be a true, and if the another is false, then also it will execute. Okay, but here in an AND operator, it will check the both conditions and both conditions should be a true, then only it will execute this particular block. Getting it? Get the difference between OR and AND operator? Getting? Yes.
And if the input is say 55, so it wouldn't match either of those.
I will write the some more conditions. I will write the some more, just wait for it. Okay, so again I